Hey, I'm Chad Baker. I have an electrical engineering degree. I also hold certificates from Harvard Management Institute as well as Emerging Leadership Academy. I spent the earliest part of my career as a design engineer for an underground mining equipment company. After that, I designed automotive equipment as well as working for a Fortune 500 global furniture manufacturer.
Let's do something more fun. Come on.
All right.
Here we go.
I spent a lot of time in operations and manufacturing, opened up multiple plants across multiple countries. And then I came to Würth, and for the last 5 or 6 years, I've been helping Würth Industry USA join a couple of companies, now down to one.
That's what I'm thinking
where's
about.
Waldo, right?
Yeah.
We will always know where Waldo is.
That's
from now on.
cool.
I'm happily married to my wife of 20 years. I have 4 wonderful kids, all whom are in college. Outside of work, I love to travel, hike, hunt, fish. I'm here to talk about this exciting new venture from Würth Industry USA called Asset Intelligence Solutions.